Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today, I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, and then I want to tell you about Solana or Cardano. Now I want to tell you about cryptocurrency, because more force stated hits 3 months hit will near comes 70% on Friday. That network was trading at its highest point in German on Friday. Africa's broken out of a key resistance level. Today's move comes as crypto market were mostly hit here in the session, climbing to 0.896% as of waiting. Near protocol rose by 17%, also recording multi-month hits. That network was one of Friday notable gainers. Africa's rose by nearly 60% in today's session. Friday's figures saw the token hit intraday hit of $1.65, which comes less than 24 hours after trading at a low of $1.37. Today, releases dated or USD claims to its highest point since May 11, when price was at a peak of $1.84. Looking at the cards, the move comes as that broke out of its key resistance level at $1.57, which is $257, which is 2 days removed from its last attempt to move past this hurdle. This comes as the relative staggers index also moved fast, occurring of its own and 62, and as of waiting it is striking and 65 and 30. This is the highest point price Tigis has it since April, and comes as the ETA has entered a forward territory. Basic call look to enter the market in upcoming sections as a result of this. Near protocol was trading even higher than the ETA on Friday, with the token climbing by as much as 70%, following a low of $4.33 on Thursday, near or USD records to peak of $5.90 earlier in today's session. Late ETA. This comes as near protocol broke out of its long-term resistance level of $4.80. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Usually don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.